Are you tired of cheap espresso machines that promise cafe quality but taste like disappointment? Let me show you why this Gevi 20 bar espresso machine might just be the best budget espresso machine of 2025. Right out of the box, this thing feels premium. Heavy, solid, and beautifully designed, people literally ask if it's an $800 plus machine. But it's under $300. Yeah, seriously. It's got a full 58mm portafilter, dual display for pressure and temperature, and a powerful steam wand. This thing looks like it belongs in a high-end cafe, not your kitchen. Now let's talk about performance. I've tested cheaper machines before, most can't get the pressure or temperature right. But the Gevi? The first shot I pulled had beautiful crema, smooth texture, and the perfect temperature. Even lighter roasts pulled like a dream after a few tries. The steam wand is seriously powerful. You can make that silky microfoam perfect for latte art. Even my kids are now learning how to make me lattes in the morning. With real-time pressure and temperature feedback, you get control like a pro. Once you dial in your grind, it gives you consistent cafe-quality shots every single time. Gorgeous, premium build. Real barista-level results. Easy for beginners. Great value under $300. Slight learning curve. Heavy to move around. Honestly, I'm obsessed with this machine. It's reliable, stylish, and makes espresso that rivals my local cafe. If you've been holding off upgrading, this is the one to get. Click the link in the description below to check out the latest deal on the Gevi 20 bar. Trust me, once you taste that perfect crema, there's no going back.